मागे मागे
कसं काय मुंबई? Honestly, actually what I want to say, and I'm sure Sam must be feeling the same, is that I think we waited so long for this. We waited so long for this that it's finally here. Can you believe it's happening actually?
I can't believe I actually had a moment with myself just sitting down. This has been a while and I waited for this for a while. 1 year.
Both of you have
You guys
impressed
like
us.
it?
सगळे वरती दिसतात.
I love you too. I love all of you all. And
We've just gotten a teaser and you've impressed us once again, both of you. So thank you, and we can't wait. And I've been saying this close. We have got to wait, but you know they have something really special for you. Special Citadel Honey Bunny merchandise just for you. Want it?
we do. Actually, I was promised that there's going to be a gun over
Yes,
there.
yes, yes. It's coming here. Can we have that gun, please? Thank you.
One day, I was like, यार ये Amazon का शो है, मेरे को लगा यार थोड़ा सेट वेट पे लेके जाएंगे, but they were like नहीं, स्ट्रीट पे करना है, भागो इधर ऊपर जाओ, ये करो, and but fingers crossed. I don't know, speak too much, just very excited about it.
And it's looking absolutely impactful. You already told us how it was working with her. We want to know from your side, how was it working with her? You guys are working for the first time together.
For the first time on such a big show, I really wanted. I know Varun is one of the most hardworking people in the industry, and all he thinks about, I believe that from the time he wakes up, he has only one thought, and that is, how do I do this scene better? How do I? He actually does from the time he wakes up. I think he's always focusing on how to do his job better, and also. On a side note, he's also one of the nicest human beings. I think that he has a wonderful sense of humor, and he just makes sure that everyone is happy on set. He's always smiling. There's never a rough day. Everyone is just so cool around him. And what he's done in Citadel is a completely new VD. Completely new. His action is.
We saw that completely new VD recently on social media as well, where he's flaunting his abs, and we have to say, we love that avatar of.
अरे मित्र आहे व्हिडिओ.
एक मिनिट, I'll do that. करतो शांत. काय आपला करतो मी. Guys, you can clear this please. Let's not block the view. Thank you. All good? Thank you so much. Chilla Shiva, how are you? Once again, a round of applause for our honey bunny, Varun Dhawan and Samantha. आप दोनों से सवाल है कि हमने देखा टीजर में कि आपने इसमें काफी माइंड ब्लोइंग स्टंट्स किए हैं. How was it to prepare for it?
Honestly, like genuinely honestly, my preparation was very, very easy compared to Samantha's, because I think it's public knowledge what she was battling when she got onto this show. And you know, I would think I have it hard when I just started rehearsing and getting into stuff, and I'm like, yeah, Raj DK are really making me do all this and all. But when I would see the kind of work ethic this girl had and what she was actually battling, that really inspired me. And we became partners almost, you know, in making things happen. But I've actually never been on a shoot or on a creative process like that where I'm seeing a co-actor go through something, you know, and you learn so much. You learn so much about human beings in general when you see someone battling something and win. And I think she's inspired me, inspired Raj DK, Sita, everyone, Amazon. I think she's an inspiration that how she has done this show and done an action show. You know, it's commendable. Seriously, Sam, it's commendable.
I should have worn glasses. I'm going to cry now.
But Samantha, you deserve.
Honestly.
You deserve all the accolades, and you know you're an inspiration. So, how was your experience to
No, Varun is being too kind. Like he said, it was a partnership. You know, when we would do action, it really felt like a dance. It felt like, you remember we discussed this, that action felt like a romantic song because there was just so much sync. I've never had that kind of sync because, well, Rajan DK being Rajan DK, love, long shot. They don't say cut and it goes on for how long was that?
I think we have a 11 or 12 minute one take action sequence in the show.
And it's the both of us with the cameraman, and everyone has to be in absolute sync. So I've never felt that kind of chemistry with anyone, and it shows. I believe it shows because that action sequence is truly special. I shouldn't say that myself, but just making it was absolutely beautiful.
You know, while she's speaking,
But I want to know about that caption actually. What is that? God's plan.
God's plan. भगवान का plan है.
Huh?
Actually, वो Drake का गाना है, but it's famous because of Rinku Singh. Even I believe. और ओवर भी क्या डाला है रिंकू सिंह ने 19th over.
but you guys have also bowled us over. With that, shall we?
Actually, it's very fascinating when me and Sam met. We are born only a few days apart. Actually,
You are younger?
I behave younger. I don't know if I am. You're on
April 28th,
No,
87.
you're 28th. I'm 24th. So I'm
4 days-
younger. I'm
4 days
younger.
younger.
I'm 4 days younger. But we were always so much in sync. Even it's like how we feel like when we go for an event or how the actual feeling. It's strange. I don't know. It's because we both are Taurians or we are born a few days apart. But there's a lot of sync. I think over there, and she's very spiritual as well, which always helps.
I'm glad to see the Taurians on the floor, 24, 28, 30th. So it's a
Great.
Taurians.
Great.
It's a full house on stage. So thank you.